Hi guys, yes, welcome to another tutorial. It's been virtually like a week and I've missed you guys so much, so I put together this whole makeup look. Well, if you want to know how I do my foundation concealer routine, I'm going to leave a link in the description bar down below, so check them out. How I do my regular foundation concealer look. So this video is straightforward into the whole eyeshadow look. This teal green is giving me all the vibe and all the energy, loving it. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. Welcome. And if you're visiting again, so glad to have you back. I've missed you guys. So yes, do enjoy this tutorial. If you found anything helpful, let me know, and if you have any other suggestions as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome guys, my face is already done, so as you know, I'll leave the link in the description bar down below. So starting off, I'm showing you my brushes again because I feel this is a different eyeshadow look, so I need to show you the brushes I use. I went with that eyeshadow palette, and that matte kind of dark green, that was the life. It's great to do a smoky if you don't want the actual black. This is a great smoky color. I just loved it. So I applied that to the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm packing it up because I want that color. I want all the vibrance in that color, guys. So I'm packing it up, and then I'm taking the excess towards the middle, but not all the way into my inner corners, just halfway through, so you see that. And I make sure I pack that because I want the color real good right there. Then I went into prime my eyelids again, but I went in with another brighter concealer because I wanted the teal green, the shimmery eyeshadow to be so obvious, so I just went back in with a much brighter. So you could use an eyeshadow primer or just use a really bright concealer. That would do just fine. Ta-da! And this is a horsehair brush. Like I said in my previous video, it's good to use this horsehair brushes, especially when you're doing your eyelid, be it matte or shimmery or even glitter. You could use a really good horsehair brush to pick up the eyeshadow, and it gives you a really beautiful effect. So I'm using I use the Jaclyn Hill palette, the first edition, and then I use the Morphe, I think 35E palette as well. That has bright colors in it. And I use those two palettes. I mix the greens in it, the shimmery greens in it, to create this beautiful effect. With the horsehair brushes, you will easily pack the eyeshadow and prevent the whole creasing thing. It makes it so beautiful, so beautiful.
She won't break up with her boyfriend cause of me. She not only me when she wants, she don't want to nobody. She won't break up with her baba cause of me. She not only me when she wants, she don't want to nobody. I don't feel like I deserve your love, oh baby.
So I go back in to darken the outer corners. I really need that kind of smoky effect in this eyeshadow look, so very important. So if you feel you lose any color while doing your eyeshadow, you could always go back and pack it. So I use this other flat like horsehair brush for the inner corner just to create that kind of gold. So there's no need for me to create the extra gold like shimmer at the corners of my eye. You could still do it, but this has already kind of created that bright effect in the whole eye look. So you're good to go. And if you realize, my outer ends, like the whole smoky, was not well blended, so I went back in to like put some transition shades and like some browns to like smoke it out and not make it that kind of harsh line, because right now it looks like this harsh thing like packed from somewhere and stamped on my face, but I need to smoke it out. So to some extent I apply some pressure because I realized the teal green, the dark green I used was really pigmented, so it was actually like soft strokes weren't working, so I had to apply a bit of pressure. So anytime you're applying eyeshadow and you feel the color that's not moving, apply a bit of pressure. The color's gonna move. Like, it definitely will move. It's gotta respect you, like, yeah. So I repeat the same process on the other eye because I gotta do it to the left what I do to the right. So I repeat the same process and smoke out the outer ends, and it came out really beautiful, like a really soft gradient. Like I used a brown shade, like a shade that's closer to my skin color to some extent, like kind of my contour shade, to do the smoky effect. So I go in to line my eyelids. Let me know if you guys are interested in me doing like a detailed eyeliner tutorial, because trust me guys, I feel now my eyeliner game is so on point, like so dope. Like, so let me know if you guys are interested. It takes me like forever to do my eyeliner, just because my eyelashes are really curled back into my eyelid. Like, I don't know if you get it, but I have like really curled up eyelashes, and it's so hard and so difficult to fix up eyelashes. So, oh my god, it takes me like forever. So using some gold glitter liner, I just wanted to create this kind of beautiful eyeshadow look today. So I was in for everything. So yeah. And because I was applying the glitter eyeliner right on top of the black eyeliner, I've got to be extra careful. So in this case, you gotta take your time, try to be precise as much as possible. It's okay to make a mistake, but try to be precise as much as possible, so you don't have to go through the stress of like correcting a mistake. Yeah. I know they feel like say I deserve your love, oh baby. You don't feel like I deserve your love, oh mama. 'Cause I'm all for you, babe. You know fear, don't you bother. Onto some highlights, using the same highlights I used in my previous video. It's so beautiful. I didn't use blush in today's tutorial because I didn't want to create that kind of so much color on my face. I just wanted to have that soft, beautiful like eyeshadow. Eyeshadow had to talk, so yeah. I actually believe that if your eyeshadow has all the details and has all the attention, you've got to make sure that you don't like try to share the attention with like other stuffs. So I'll do a nude lip. If I feel my eyeshadow is doing all the talking, like it's got all the attention on my face. So I'll list everything I use down below, and then links to my previous video and my foundation video, so you can watch that as well. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. So simple eyeshadow look. Let's just work with the colors, and I love today's outcome. It's not like my regular kind of nude, it's different, and I love the outcome. Like, it's so pretty. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.